welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make a few of these Waterslide nail decals. These are the ones that I use that I did make in this video, just so you get a little, idea what they look like on the nail. They're very easy to do, and they're cheap if you want to make them at home, but you can also sell them as well. But alright guys, let's get into this video. Okay guys, you're going to want to go to your Safari or Google and type in whatever image background you want. And sorry guys, Journey is asleep right next to me and she is snoring. But pretty much I just looked up the Gucci print transparent background. And I like using the print ones if I want to do the whole nail, so then I don't have to use vinyl, because you can also use vinyl as a nail decal, which I can make a video on that as well. If you like that, comment below. But pretty much here I'm just trying to find a Gucci print one with a transparent background, and then I am going to type in powder puff girl, and I'm gonna find an image for that because I think that would be really cute on some nails. Maybe do it just on the middle finger, or just put all three of them on, put one on one nail, another one on another nail. So pretty much I just save the image that I want, and I'm going to show you right here in case there is no transparent background. You upload to remove.bg, and you can upload the image, and then pretty much it just deletes the white background for you. If you don't have a Cricut, this is probably really good for you to do, because on the Cricut I can still take out the background in certain images. But if you don't have a Cricut and want to do this, I would advise you to do this, so then there is no background around the image that you do print, because some people, I think they use Word or something to print onto the water slide paper. But anyway, so right here I'm just uploading the images I got off of Google into my Cricut design space here. So yeah, it's really simple and easy. You can do this on the computer as well. I just hit upload and then I do open images, I believe. But yeah, so pretty much I'm just uploading all my images right here. Okay, so I'm just opening this up onto the computer I have, because the printer I had at my office, it wasn't connecting to my computer right, so I just went on the computer here. But anyway, so once I do that, I have all my images here. I'm just going to select every one of them that I have, and then I'm going to insert the images into the design space here. And I don't know if I showed this in the video, but I did measure like the nail types I have just so I like know how big to make like a full print detail, you know, like them little like Louis Vuitton ones and the Gucci print. Like I just wanted to make sure that it was going to fit on the nail correctly. Also, I did measure a little bit just to see how small to make the decals. But right here I'm showing you I made the little decals where it kind of just fit the nail, you know, a decent shape. I did like 0.75 for the snake ones. I believe I did 0.35 for the little ones. And then I made a few bigger ones in case like somebody had like a bigger finger, you know, because you never know what type of nail, you know, people have. But for like this powder puff girl one, I believe I made it 1.5. So then technically if I cut them apart, each, you know, powder puff girl is only like 0.5 inches wide. You'll get the hang of it. Pretty much you just gotta measure your nail and see how big you want the you know, whatever decal you want. I did add a little bit of like some weed symbols and Cheech and Chong in case somebody wanted like, you know, a nail type with, you know, kind of like stoner nails or whatever, because I have a whole bunch of different people order from me and I thought those were cute little like clip arts for it. So pretty much here I'm just showing you how I print it. I just select the printer that I had, and yeah, this is the Waterslide paper I'm using. I got it off of Amazon, I believe. I will link in the description box below. But it just shows it can be used on whatever type of project you want pretty much. And then it also shows you like instructions on the back on how to seal them. But I will show you here how I seal them. But pretty much I am just printing all the images out that I want. And no, I don't cut it. I just use the print and cut to print it. So technically you do not need a Cricut for this. I just pretty much did it just, you know, because I always am on the Cricut app. That's what, like, you know, that's what I work off of. But yeah, you can probably use Word for this or Google Docs even if you don't have Word, which I love using Google Docs. It's free, guys. But yeah, they turned out really, really vibrant. Like, I was really surprised when I printed it out. Like, I had to show you guys, like, look how vibrant those are. Like, I don't know, them look good, sis. This is the type of clear gloss I'm using to spray over this. It is a Rust-Oleum clear gloss. And sorry guys, it's very hard to record while spraying this. I did not have my tripod with me, but guys, I promise I got a new one. So yeah, my videos will not be like this no more. But so yeah, you just pretty much just spray it really lightly. Just get a little coat on it. And then you're gonna want to let that dry. And then once it's done drying, after 10 minutes, I believe, you're gonna go back and spray it again with another like little layer of clear gloss. I'm just showing you guys how I do it so you can go step by step with me. And yes, it keeps all the color in there. It just pretty much just seals it. But you're gonna do it 3 times. But this is what the Chanel one looks like on this nail. It looks so good, guys. Like, but for like little decals like this, I would suggest doing vinyl. But like for the powder puff girl ones and the Cheech and Chong one, Waterslide paper is so much better, I believe, because it's so vibrant. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please give me a fat thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching.